Hello guys, so we are going to be talking about mail. So your MailerLite can be connected to workflow actions. So we have some specific workflow actions that can communicate with your MailerLite directly from your sub account, and you can automate these steps. So you create subscriber, you can create a group, you can update a subscriber, you can delete a user, you can update a group, you can delete a group, and so more. So I'm going to show you in this video how to set up this and connect them all step by step. So to get started, you need to connect to your GHL plugins account. In your GHL plugins account, you go to workflow apps. So in the workflow apps, you go to available apps. Sorry. So under the available apps, you're going to search for the MailerLite. It's not going to pop up if you've installed it already. So if you installed, you check here. If you want to install, you check under available. Since I've installed already, that's why I can see from here. That's the same window that you're going to see when you check under the available, the same tab. So when you go under available, you search for MailerLite, you click on it in order to install. It's going to relocate you to your agency. So you need to connect your agency. Click here, select enable, then you proceed and the installation is completed. So after installation, you need to come back and make sure that you have your custom menu link added to your agency already. So if you haven't added your custom menu link to your agency already, you need to copy this. Actually, this is for those who are installing this app for their first time. Those who are installing any app for their first time on workflow apps, you need to do this. Copy the custom menu link. You go to your agency, so you switch to agency view. You go to settings. Now you go to custom menu link. In here, you're going to create. You select an icon of your choice, so you can put whatever icon you want. You put in the name of your choice and you paste in the link you just copied from GHL plugin. There's a link. Now you can see the different settings for a custom menu link. So you might want to deactivate the one for agency and choose either you want to use on all sub accounts or just on specific sub accounts. Then you select the other preferred settings. When you're done with that, you save and your custom menu link has been created. When your custom menu link is created, you just need to switch to that sub account in which you want to use the workflow actions. When you switch into that, you go to the custom menu link to the name of the link that you just added earlier. You're going to see it appear here if at all you've added this account to that custom menu link. So you're going to select, it's going to pop up under the available apps. So still I have connected my app already. I'm going to search rather here, but you as a newcomer, as a new installation, you're going to check under available apps. So I'm going to search here for MailerLite. So when you go under apps available, you're going to click on MailerLite and it's going to ask you for the token. How do you get the token? It's pretty easy. Just go under your MailerLite dashboard. So you connect to your MailerLite. Then you go to integrations. You go to this use, and from here you can generate one. Pretty easy. You just put in the name, you check the box, you create the token. Now you can copy. We copy the token and now we are going to paste it in here. So with this, our setup, our connection has been done. Now we have the app installed and connected to MailerLite. So now we are going to submit. You click on submit, it's going to submit that and get it connected. So after that, you can just get started with the actions by going to automations. Go under automations, workflows. You're going to open workflows where you can start using the actions just like any other action in your sub account. So you can search for any action in the actions list. So I'm going to do a quick search on this. Make sure to use the MailerLite service. So I'll scroll down. Yeah, MailerLite service. So these are the various actions that we can have under MailerLite service. Assign user from a group, get group subscribers, assign user to group, delete group, update group, create group, delete user, update subscriber, and create subscriber. So these are the various actions that you can use. You can use workflows to carry out on your MailerLite account. Pretty easy. And as usual, if you have any issue with these processes or the setup or any action, please kindly get to us and we'll be ready to help you. Thank you.